Want to grow the juiciest, most flavorful tomatoes? Stick around to discover the top 5 plants that will supercharge your tomato garden. We often focus on the singular needs of our prized tomato plants: the sun, the water, the nutrients. But what if I told you that the secret to truly exceptional tomatoes lies not just in isolation, but in community? Today, we embark on a journey to explore these remarkable plant partnerships. We will delve into the subtle yet powerful ways in which certain species can enhance the vitality and indeed the very essence of your tomato harvest. Prepare to witness the extraordinary power of nature's own strategies as we uncover 5 key botanical assistants that can elevate your tomato growing to an entirely new level of success and satisfaction. We'll observe how these companion plants don't merely coexist with tomatoes, but actively contribute to their well-being, warding off pests, improving soil conditions, and even, it is said, enhancing the very taste of the fruit. This isn't just gardening, it's an exploration into the intricate web of life that can flourish in your own backyard, a testament to the profound connections that underpin the natural world. Let us begin our exploration into this fascinating realm of botanical cooperation. 12. The aromatic guardian basil, a tomato's closest confidant. Our first subject in this remarkable botanical assembly is a plant renowned not only for its culinary contributions, but also for its profound, almost symbiotic relationship with the tomato. It is, of course, basil. Its vibrant green leaves, exuding that characteristic peppery, slightly minty aroma, are more than just a delight to the human senses. They are a signal, a beacon of cooperation in the plant kingdom. The very presence of basil alongside tomatoes seems to foster an environment of enhanced vitality. Gardeners through the ages have observed this partnership, noting that tomatoes grown in the company of basil often appear more robust, their fruits more succulent, and, anecdotally at least, imbued with a superior flavor. One of basil's most celebrated roles in this partnership is that of a vigilant protector. Its strong, volatile oils, which give the plant its distinctive scent, act as a remarkably effective deterrent against a host of unwelcome visitors. Tiny marauders, such as aphids, those minuscule sap-sucking insects that can plague tomato plants, seem to find the aromatic aura of basil distinctly uninviting. Similarly, the notorious whitefly, another common pest that can weaken tomato plants and transmit diseases, often steers clear of areas where basil stands guard. This natural pest control reduces the need for chemical interventions, allowing the tomato plant to channel its energy into fruit production rather than fending off constant attack. Furthermore, the improved health of the tomato plant, free from the constant harassment of pests, naturally leads to better growth and development. Consider the simple act of planting basil as interlopers amongst your tomato rows. You're not merely adding another plant, you are recruiting a guardian, a fragrant ally that works tirelessly through its very chemistry to protect and enhance its neighbor. The air itself becomes a tool, the scent a weapon against those that would seek to diminish the tomato's vigor. 16. The golden protector marigold, a subterranean shield. We now turn our attention to the cheerful and resilient marigold. These bright, sun-loving flowers are more than mere ornaments. Beneath the soil, marigolds wage a silent war against nematodes. These microscopic roundworms damage tomato roots. Marigold roots release theophanies, toxic to nematodes. This natural fumigation protects nearby tomato roots. Planting marigolds alongside tomatoes establishes this defense. The strong scent of marigolds also deters other pests. French and African marigolds are particularly effective. Their dense roots and chemicals make them formidable allies. Marigold blooms attract beneficial insects like hoverflies. Our next botanical ally is the borage, a plant of striking beauty and remarkable utility. With its fuzzy, cucumber-scented leaves and brilliant, star-shaped blue flowers, borage captivates any garden. It attracts beneficial insects and is a tonic for plants. Bees are drawn to its nectar-rich blossoms, aiding pollination. Borage also attracts other beneficial insects like lacewings and wasps. These insects help control pests, benefiting the entire garden. Gardeners believe borage stimulates growth and enhances flavor. Its deep taproot draws nutrients, enriching the soil. Borage may also deter pests like tomato hornworms and squash bugs. It self-seeds, ensuring its presence year after year. Consider borage a bustling hub of beneficial activity. We now delve into the world of the alliums, and specifically a plant revered for millennia for both its culinary potency and its protective properties, garlic or. This pungent bulb, a staple in kitchens worldwide, also serves as a formidable, albeit discreet guardian in the vegetable garden, particularly for its cherished companion, the tomato. Its strong sulfurous compounds are key to its defensive capabilities. Garlic's primary role as a companion for tomatoes lies in its ability to repel a range of common garden pests. The characteristic odor, which we find so appealing in our cuisine, is distinctly offensive to many insects and mites that would otherwise prey upon tomato plants. It acts as an olfactory barrier, confusing or deterring pests from settling and feeding. One of the most significant pests that garlic can help manage is the red spider mite. These tiny arachnids, often difficult to spot until an infestation is well established, suck the sap from tomato leaves, causing stippling, yellowing, and eventual leaf drop. Severe infestations can significantly weaken the plant and reduce yields. Garlic planted nearby emits volatile compounds that these mites find intolerable, encouraging them to seek sustenance elsewhere. Beyond spider mites, garlic is also reputed to deter other unwelcome visitors such as aphids, certain types of beetles, and even some say larger pests like rabbits, though the latter is more anecdotal. The benefits of garlic are not limited to pest repulsion. Garlic is also believed to possess antifungal properties. The same sulfur compounds that deter pests can also help to suppress certain soil-borne fungal diseases that can affect tomato roots and lower stems. Planting garlic amongst tomatoes is a practice rooted in ancient agricultural wisdom. It's a simple yet effective strategy that leverages the natural defenses of one plant to protect another. Garlic bulbs can be planted as individual cloves around the base of tomato plants or in rows interspersed between them. The relatively compact growth habit of garlic means it doesn't compete significantly with tomatoes for light or space above ground. Our final superplant in this exploration of tomato companions is the vibrant and versatile nasturtium. With its cheerful, trumpet-shaped flowers and distinctive leaves, the nasturtium is a visual delight. But its role in the tomato patch is often one of noble sacrifice, acting as a highly effective trap crop for aphids. Nasturtiums attract aphids, drawing them away from your precious tomato plants. The infested parts can be removed, or beneficial insects like ladybirds can feast on the aphids. Beyond aphids, nasturtiums may deter other pests and are easy to grow. Their bright flowers add a splash of color and a peppery flavor to salads. And so our journey through the world of tomato companion planting comes to a close. We've seen how basil lends its fragrance as a shield, how marigolds guard the hidden realm of the roots, and how borage calls forth an army of beneficial insects. We've appreciated the pungent power of garlic and the selfless beauty of the nasturtium acting as a decoy. These 5 remarkable plants, each with its unique talents, can transform your tomato patch into a more resilient, productive, and indeed, a more fascinating ecosystem. The principles we've explored today are a testament to the intricate web of connections that govern the natural world, even on the small scale of our own gardens. By understanding and harnessing these natural alliances, we can cultivate not just an abundance of delicious tomatoes, but also a deeper appreciation for the subtle wisdom of nature. I encourage you to experiment with these companions, to observe their interactions, and to discover the combinations that work best in your own unique growing conditions. What have your experiences been with companion planting? Please do share your successes, your challenges, and your favorite plant partnerships in the comments below. Your insights enrich our collective gardening knowledge. Remember, a thriving garden is a diverse garden. For more tips and tricks to help you cultivate your own verdant oasis and to continue exploring the wonders of the plant kingdom, do consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, may your tomatoes be plentiful, your companions flourish, and your connection to the earth grow ever stronger. Happy gardening.